Heidi ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again with my first Shed Wars weigh-in video. Some of you that saw a couple shorts I put out, not Shed Wars videos, know that I had a couple of wintered over items that were kind of a surprise. And I'm going to be weighing that in today. Right, here's my scale. Get it turned on. Ball here, let's zero that out. All right, are you ready for this? Okay. Maybe I better change the units. 0.3 ounces. Hey, Team Will It Grow. Now you see what Arkansas Pilgrim and Team Woodcutter are capable of. Are you shaking in your boots? We're really rolling now.